Hello, everyone. I think I'm coming back in front of the camera to make videos. I realize a lot of the presentation style videos doesn't get any traction, so I guess it's just outright boring or some other reason I can't figure it out. So in front of the camera, that's fine for me as long as it gets some results. Today's topic is very simple. Once in every long while, I get a weird sensation about markets, and right now is one of those moments. I'm getting very weird sensation about every single market out there. That includes the real estate market, stock market, and crypto has already fallen by more than 60%. So we already know what happens there. I have the feeling that this time crypto is a leading indicator. So right now, if I have fresh capital, I wouldn't be investing in any markets right now. And instead, if I would have any kind of investment in the share market, I will get out. If I have investment in real estate, I probably will get out as well. And bond market looks shaky too. So I see no reason to invest in anything other than in the major crypto markets. So at this moment, I want to use this opportunity as a warning for anybody who is in multiple markets. Be very careful with what you're doing right now. Everything's indicating towards a temporary top in every single market I'm observing, and I could be wrong. So don't use this as a timing indicator. Instead, I want to use this opportunity to direct your attention towards the danger in other markets, because right now crypto has already fallen significantly. And if this is indeed the leading indicator, what happens now is that we're going to see other markets dropping in sympathy with cryptos, because I suspect the liquidity in crypto is not as deep as in the other markets, and actors in the crypto markets are far more agile, and that leads to fast reactions and quick drop in prices. But I suspect the other markets, particularly the stock market in the US, I really see a big trouble going ahead. They have rallied so hard in the last 12 months. There's very little upside potential left in the equity market unless they are continuing to print so much more money. But I don't see that's happening right now. If you have any investment in the US stock market, I strongly suggest you should get out. This is, of course, not investment advice, just my personal opinion. I personally have been watching the US market ever since 1991. So I have a long history with the American markets. And at this moment, I feel very uncomfortable. If I would be an asset allocator right now and putting money into the different equity market work, US will be the last place I will put the money in at this moment. So this is just my personal opinion. Of course, feel free to disagree. And sometimes I just get these weird sensations. And by now you know why, because I'm a very intuitive trader. Let's call that the angel sense. The angel sense is telling me real estate and stocks in general are a terrible place to be. Last weekend, I just went to a couple of open houses just to get a sentiment of what's going on in the market. There's panic buying going on right now, particularly here on the Gold Coast. Huge panic buying in the real estate market. One property that's really like nothing, that used to be selling for $350,000, $400,000, small house, nothing special. And after 3 days on the market, now they're getting competitive offers. Probably going to sell for just slightly less than $1 million. And if people want to panic themselves into a real estate market, be my guest. But I've seen this story before many times over, and every time it end in tears. So just be aware of that. If you are thinking about buying any real estate right now, not the best time to buy. Yeah, not the best time. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a short update. Just let you know the market's not doing well from my perspective, and be extra careful wherever you are investing your money. And tomorrow I'm gonna meet a guy who I met last time at Govindas, and shout out to you. Tomorrow morning we're gonna see each other for the first time again after that short meetup there. And I'm very curious about what we can do to to add value to your life. Let's call it that way. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.